Hey, Gary Chappelle here, and I just wanted to give this unbiased review of this pickleball set. This is really fantastic. They give you a complete set of everything that you need. A lot of times you can play pickleball with just two players, but oftentimes you play with four. They give you the complete set. So you've got four pickleball paddles, they give you four balls, they provide you with four towels, which is really nice. They give you a paddle cleaner, and they also give you a bag so that you can store everything that you have here. But this is really just a complete set, so I don't think you can go wrong with that. What I'd really like to talk about though is these paddles. These paddles, this is a beginner set, but these paddles are fantastic. Uh, these are made out of 9-ply basswood. A lot of paddles are 7-ply, so this is a very sturdy, durable paddle, but it's not heavy at all. It's very light, gives you a lot of control. As you can see, it's a big paddle, so it gives you a really good sweet spot. So when you're beginning, it's going to give you a little bit of room for error. So I really am really impressed with this set, especially for being a beginner set. So, pickleball is an up and coming sport. It's very good for seniors, especially if they can no longer get around to play tennis because the pickleball courts are a little bit smaller. It's great for seniors, but it's a very popular sport with everyone. So if you're interested in getting out there and trying something new and getting some exercise, then I highly recommend you get out there and start pickleball. And this is a great set to start with. So I think you'll be really satisfied.